Hey guys, today is January 4 and we're going to... Where are we going?
Japan!
No. We're going to Antipolo and I don't know where.
We're in Antipolo. We're just
No.
roaming around and
Because we're bored!
we're complete. The silly kuya is here
Yeah?
and the pretty Athena is here. Also vlogging like me. And my kuya Bob is so pangit.
How dare you say that to your son?
Oh, there you mushong. Okay, see you later guys. We will going to Antipolo and then we will eat there and stroll around. And that's it. We're just waiting for daddy.
We're just starting the car.
No? Okay, let's just see you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye.
House lang ba?
What's
Eh,
up?
What's up?
Starting
We're
SFD
complete. We're going to... Athena, we're going to...
Bubulu.
Santa
Lucia.
Antipolo!
Santa Lucia. We are complete. We have Kuya Kim,
Ang gas ko
Yeah.
Athena, and Kuya Bob.
The real kuya.
The rare Kuya is here. We are complete. This is the first time, first day of
Travel vlog.
family day,
Travel vlogging.
travel vlogging.
Most of us
Family.
doesn't...
What?
These two aren't vlogging while three of us are vlogging.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm totally
Yeah.
vlogging without it.
It's the first day of our family
Mas ba
day.
ulit?
Hello, may mga
Networks.
shell din dyan, oh.
Ayan to, anong station
So
to? You just noticed the aircon? Only now?
yeah, so I'm feeling really cold.
You're too late. Since you step in, the aircon's already working, no?
Central Mall at
Zero.
Hindi, meron na ngayon 2 hours na lang ang ride sa Baguio.
Ito yung packet, mas mahaba.
Grabe, ang dami nang nabago dito. Wala nung umalis tayo, no?
Tapit, no?
Oh.
We're on top of the mountain.
Eh,
There's more motorcycles.
Ah, 5 minutes from...
damn, ito na yung pakarga.
Okay, I'm sure my phone is gonna fall by now. Oh no! Oh crap!
Can see nothing.
Notified sa that phone on the outside.
Ewan ko lang si Tamamang Ipe. Mama.
Okay. Roll the sound song. The sad song.
Sound song.
Damn.
Sound song. Wait.
This is a very long montage.
What's a montage?
It's like when you're doing like something fast forward or something.
Oh.
Okay, parang otherwise, mga naka-angulo na siya.
Yeah. Here.
It's why
there. We can go there
Here,
later.
here. Ito na yung Monkers Village.
Alam mo yun?
I don't
Yeah.
wanna go there.
Yung pataas yun. Oh,
Mamaya.
Mababait, mas pataas. Diba sobrang taas?
Doing today.
Ano ba yung guys? Ba't ganyan yung app mo? Ay, yung camera mo.
Parang pogi ka sa camera, oh, di ba?
It's not. It's not.
Bumuha nga ako yung buhay.
Kaya nga puti yung...
Oh, Kuya Bob. That's it. Kuya Akim, say hi! Kuya Bob!
Ano, ilagay ba tayo?
Ito pala.
Ay, mga tanong na gusto.
And then, we're going now. We're in Robinson. Yeah. There's the Robinson. And, yan, ano yung, ano? Ayan, it's flammable. Atina told me it's flammable. Here, follow, yan. Hey, Bob. Hey, daddy. Hello. We're here. Tina. Kuya Bob. Pastor.
Okay, kuya ba pwede yung jacket? Isa mo ha, ilak mo doon.
Kuya Kim.
Bob!
I'm still busy.
Oh. There you go, Kuya Bob. Kuya Kim and Daddy. Look at that tree, Atina. Look at that tree.
Hindi na.
It's Kuya Bob.
Ayan, mami.
Bawal.
Again, your phone is like this.
We're going We're going to find some food to eat. And gusto mo ng tsaa? Yan. Halika na, Kuya Bob. Yan. Ayun yung aking Kuya Kim na kontrabida sa buhay ng may buhay. Ay, makikita mo dyan yung parang bundok. O, diba? Eh. Ayun o, palaruan din o.
Ina, guys, sa playground.
Ay, check natin. Doon na tayo pumasok. Pwede ka doon pumasok eh. Wala mang inasal
Uy,
doon.
sa us.
Oo, yan. Palaruan. So, pero sa tiya, nagpa-vlog din. Kaya magsusumba na po ako. Sumba-sumba. Mamaya.